write it. I'm gonna repeat that little verse because it's important. Wait. She broke all my records.
Yeah?
She burned all my clothes.
That's bullshit.
She threw my guitar in the yard.
Holy crap, did she?
Picked up the pieces. Said, honey, I'll see you. And I drove off in my beat-up old car. Now you go, Mick. So maybe I'll get lucky and I'll die in Kentucky, and you'll never have to see me again. Maybe I'll get lucky and I'll die in Kentucky, and you'll never have to see me again. It's I-65, hell, I'm still alive. Guess I'll let you down one more time. It's the middle of the night, but I'm doing alright. I ain't sleeping alone tonight, 'cause I'm about to get lucky up here in Kentucky, with a waitress I met at the bar. She's half of my age and I don't know her name. She loves the way I play my guitar. So maybe I'll get lucky and I'll die in Kentucky, and you'll never have to see me again. Maybe I'll get lucky